Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about creating your own Christmas backdrop for your baby. So this year, obviously because of the pandemic, we were not able to go to a studio to take photos. I know in many other places or cities, you can still go indoors with a limited amount of people, but we just chose to be safe. So we are going to do our own Christmas photo shoot at home. So this is a backdrop that I created for our baby, and it looks pretty small. So I would say it doesn't really fit the three of us. It wouldn't fit a whole family, but definitely for a baby or for a dog, it's a great choice, a great idea. And I put everything together for a very low cost. I think I spent under 60 Canadian dollars or 50 US dollars for everything that I purchased for this backdrop. And then I had stuff lying around as well in the home. So if you have some of these things, then it's going to make it a lot cheaper and less expensive for you. So I'm going to walk through the different items that I have here and where I purchased them, and I'll definitely link the website to the products down below as well. So first of all, this that I'm sitting on, this fabric, is actually a throw from Ikea that I purchased for 20 Canadian dollars. And if you have another kind of throw at home, definitely feel free to use it, especially if it looks kind of wintry, maybe that faux fur kind of throw, or anything red, green, metallics. A lot of that would be perfect. I just chose this one because, first of all, we already actually had it, and it's very versatile, and it actually works for this backdrop that I have. I was kind of going for a rustic, homey kind of feel, and it's very minimalist as well, and rustic. And then this is the Ikea mini tree that they have for many years. So you can probably still buy it. We actually had it already in our home, but if you do want to go buy it, it's still available at Ikea. And again, I will link that below. The bottom of this tree, it is a black pot underneath. So I just had gold tissue paper that I wrapped around, and then this brown twine from Michael's. So the tissue paper you can buy at a lot of places, or the dollar store for cheap. And then if you want, you can hang ornaments, or spray some fake snow. I just like to keep it simple and plain like it is now. Behind me here, covering up the baseboards, I have the Christmas lights that are in white. So that kind of helps to blend into the background a little bit more. So you probably already have Christmas lights lying around as well. And then this fake snow, this blanket snow that I got from Michael's this year. So this was a brand new purchase. And that just goes all the way around the back. On this side, I have a few boxes here that are pretty much just delivery boxes that we already had. You can use diaper boxes. I'm sure you have plenty of those lying around. And then I wrap them with brown craft paper and then use the same twine that was from, that wrapped the Christmas tree. So the twine I got was new this year, and that was, I think, $7.99 from Michael's. You can buy craft paper from Michael's as well, a whole roll, and that you can also get from Michael's. So pretty much this entire backdrop is Ikea, Michael's, and dollar store. This joy sign is actually something that we got as a gift last year. So I think my friend got it from HomeSense or Winners, those kind of places, but I'm sure you have something lying around as well. And if not, you can create your own joy sign by cutting out letters, and there's a lot of different ideas on how to do that. But this is something that we already had. So if you have something like a sign, Christmassy sign, Christmas decor. You can kind of put it on top of your boxes, your gift boxes, and see how it looks. But this is what we decided to do. So that is pretty much my quick and less expensive backdrop that we created this year. And I hope you guys found this quick video helpful. And if you do decide to create something like this, definitely let me know, put in the comments below. I'm interested to see how your backdrop turns out this year. And if you did find this video helpful, click like and feel free to subscribe to my channel as well. I will keep posting different videos, reviews, and maybe my journey as a new mom. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and see you later.